Mosquitoes can turn a peaceful moment outdoors into a total nightmare. You walk outside to unwind, and within seconds, you're busy swatting the air and itching non-stop. Most bug sprays? They smell terrible and are packed with chemicals that aren't exactly friendly for your skin, or the environment. But here's the exciting part, your garden can actually protect you. Herb. Yes, certain plants naturally keep mosquitoes away using their strong scents and essential oils. And the best thing? These plants don't just work, they also make your space look fresh, vibrant, and alive. They're low maintenance, easy to grow, and quietly do their job without any effort from you. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll share some powerful gardening tips that can boost their mosquito-repelling effect even more. Number 10. Sage. The campfire protector. Fire. Sage has been treasured for centuries, not just in cooking and medicine, but also in spiritual rituals. Yet few know it's also a fantastic natural mosquito deterrent. Its strong, earthy aroma is pleasant to humans but unbearable for mosquitoes. What makes sage unique is that it works in two ways, growing naturally in your garden and when burned. Fresh leaves release essential oils that repel insects, but the real magic happens when you dry them and toss them into a fire. On summer evenings, burning sage from a fire pit creates a fragrant, protective bubble that mosquitoes won't enter, making it a favorite among campers and gardeners alike. Sage thrives in full sun with well-drained soil and requires minimal care once established. Its silvery green leaves add texture and charm to garden beds, while its resilience makes it ideal for beginners. Pro tip: grow sage alongside rosemary. Both herbs thrive under similar conditions, and together they form a powerful mosquito-repelling wall of fragrance. Another insider trick: bundle dried sage into smudge sticks. Burn them slowly during outdoor gatherings. The smoke is safe, aromatic, and far more pleasant than chemical sprays. Number 9. Rosemary. The aromatic shield. Herb. Rosemary has always held a special place in human history, not just as a culinary herb, but as a plant valued for fragrance, health, and even pest control. In ancient Greece, rosemary was considered a sacred herb of remembrance. During the Middle Ages, it was burned to purify the air in sick rooms. Today, it's a kitchen staple, loved for its flavor and fragrance. But few realize that rosemary is also a powerful natural mosquito repellent. Its woody aroma comes from essential oils like cineole, camphor, and rosmarinic acid. To us, it smells invigorating and pairs perfectly with roasted meats and vegetables. To mosquitoes, however, it's confusing, harsh, and unbearable, making rosemary a natural shield against biting pests. Rosemary thrives in full sun with well-drained soil. It's versatile. Grow it in pots, trim it into decorative shapes, or train it as a small hedge. This makes it both ornamental and functional. Experienced gardeners love rosemary because it's drought-tolerant once established, perfect for low-maintenance landscapes. Here's a pro tip for outdoor cooks: toss a few sprigs directly onto the coals while grilling. The fragrant smoke flavors your food and simultaneously keeps mosquitoes away from your cooking and dining area, a two-in-one solution. Another clever trick: make a natural rosemary spray. Boil fresh sprigs in water, strain, and bottle the cooled liquid. You now have a safe, fragrant mist that can be sprayed on furniture, patios, or lightly on skin. It's chemical-free, smells amazing, and works effectively against mosquitoes. Number 8. Catnip. The plant mosquitoes fear the most. Paw prints. Catnip is fascinating because it sparks two very different reactions, depending on who or what encounters it. Cats? They go crazy, rolling, rubbing, and nibbling on the leaves. Mosquitoes? They absolutely can't stand it. The secret lies in an essential oil called nepentolactone, found in catnip's leaves and stems. Research shows that nepentolactone can be up to 10 times more effective than DEET, the active ingredient in many commercial mosquito sprays. That's a remarkable result for such an easy-to-grow plant. Catnip is hardy and low maintenance. It grows quickly in sun or partial shade, tolerates average soil, and once established, it thrives with minimal care. Experienced gardeners often plant catnip along patios, decks, or seating areas. Its scent forms a natural barrier that mosquitoes simply won't cross. The soft gray-green leaves and delicate white flowers also add subtle beauty to the garden, making it both functional and attractive. A small caution: if you have feline friends, cats love catnip. Cat face: to protect your plants, consider using wire cages or small fences around young plants. This keeps the catnip safe while still letting its scent spread. Here's another insider tip: drying and lightly crushing the leaves releases even more mosquito-repelling oils. Some gardeners even make homemade sprays by steeping catnip leaves in alcohol or oil, creating a chemical-free solution for skin, clothing, or outdoor spaces. Catnip's dual-purpose nature makes it truly special. It entertains pets, beautifies your garden, and provides one of the strongest natural defenses against mosquitoes. For anyone serious about keeping their yard mosquito-free, catnip is a must-have. Number 7. Mint. The aromatic warrior. Seedling. Almost everyone recognizes mint by its sharp, refreshing scent. That cool, menthol fragrance is delightful to us, but to mosquitoes, it's unbearable. The essential oils in mint, especially menthol, confuse mosquitoes' sense of smell. They mask the signals these insects use to locate humans, making mint one of the most reliable, low-effort plants for keeping your outdoor spaces mosquito-free during summer evenings. But mint has a reputation: it grows vigorously. Left unchecked, it can take over entire garden beds. That's why experienced gardeners almost always recommend planting it in pots or containers. By controlling its roots, you enjoy all its benefits without worrying about it spreading uncontrollably. Place mint pots along deck railings, porches, or garden walkways, and you'll notice mosquitoes giving those areas a wide berth. Mint isn't just effective in the garden, it can also be used directly. Crush a few fresh leaves and rub them on your wrists, neck, or ankles, and you'll have a natural, chemical-free mosquito repellent. The cooling sensation is pleasant, and the scent lasts for hours. Some gardeners take it a step further, making mint sprays by boiling leaves in water, letting the liquid cool, and spritzing it on clothing or around outdoor seating areas. Another insider tip: experiment with different varieties. Peppermint is packed with menthol, making it the strongest for mosquito defense. Spearmint offers a sweeter aroma, while chocolate mint brings a fun, dessert-like twist. Mixing them together not only creates a beautiful, fragrant garden, but also a highly effective natural barrier. And the benefits don't stop at mosquitoes. Mint also repels ants, fleas, and even mice, making it one of the most versatile herbs to grow. As a bonus, mint is a kitchen superstar. Fresh leaves can elevate teas, cocktails, sauces, and desserts, making it both practical and protective. Number 6. Lavender. The relaxing, fragrant repellent. Purple Heart. Lavender has been adored for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its incredible versatility. From the ancient Egyptians using it in mummification, to Romans bathing in lavender-scented water and scattering flowers throughout their homes for freshness and pest control, this plant has a long legacy. Today, it still earns its place in gardens worldwide. Not only does it add striking purple spikes to your landscape, but it's also one of the most reliable natural mosquito repellents. Its secret weapon? Essential oils packed with compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate that mosquitoes, and many other insects, cannot tolerate. To us, the scent is calming, often linked to better sleep and stress relief. To mosquitoes, it's a strong, unwelcome barrier. That's why lavender is perfect near doors, windows, patios, or garden seating areas, creating a fragrant, natural shield. Lavender loves full sun and well-drained soil, preferring slightly sandy conditions over heavy clay. It hates wet feet, so proper drainage is key. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. Experienced gardeners usually prune lavender twice a year, after flowering and lightly in spring, keeping it bushy, healthy, and blooming continuously. Here's an insider trick: gently rub lavender flowers or leaves between your fingers. This releases a burst of essential oils that can be applied to your wrists or ankles for personal, natural mosquito protection. No harsh chemicals needed. And the benefits don't stop with mosquitoes. Lavender also helps repel moths, fleas, flies, and even keeps closets fresh. Some gardeners dry bunches and hang them indoors, combining fragrance with pest control. Number 5. Marigolds. The bright and powerful natural barrier. Blossom. At first glance, marigolds may seem like ordinary decorative flowers, known for their vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and deep gold. But behind their cheerful appearance lies a hidden strength. Marigolds naturally produce compounds that insects strongly dislike, so much so that similar substances have been used in commercial insect repellents for years. The difference? Marigolds do it naturally, releasing their protective scent into the air all season long. For mosquitoes, this scent is extremely unpleasant, which is why planting marigolds around your space acts like a living shield. Many experienced gardeners use them to line walkways, garden beds, or patio edges, creating a natural boundary that pests avoid. And the benefits don't stop there. Marigolds also help keep away other common garden pests, protecting both you and your plants at the same time. That's why they're often planted alongside vegetables, to reduce the need for chemical sprays. Number 4. Lemon Balm. A calm-looking plant with surprisingly strong power. Lemon balm belongs to the mint family and is often known for its soft citrus scent and rapid growth. But behind its gentle appearance is a powerful mosquito-repelling ability. Its refreshing fragrance comes from natural compounds that mosquitoes find overwhelming, making it an excellent plant to have around your home. Another great thing? It's incredibly easy to grow. Whether in full sun or partial shade, lemon balm adapts well and grows quickly, sometimes even spreading faster than expected. Because of this, many gardeners prefer growing it in containers to keep it under control. When it comes to protection, lemon balm is very versatile. Simply crushing the leaves releases their natural oils, which can be applied directly to your skin for immediate effect. It can also be turned into a soothing tea, but experienced gardeners take it further by making their own sprays. Just steep the leaves in hot water, let it cool, and you've got a gentle, natural spray that can be used on your skin, clothes, or even outdoor furniture. Number 3. Lemongrass. Nature's very own mosquito candle. With its tall, elegant leaves and fresh citrus scent, lemongrass is more than just a beautiful plant, it's a powerful natural repellent. For centuries, it has been used in traditional remedies across Asia. But today, it's widely known for something even more useful. Its ability to keep mosquitoes away. That familiar smell from citronella candles? It actually comes from lemongrass. Herb. This plant is rich in natural compounds that confuse mosquitoes and make it harder for them to detect human scent. When you plant lemongrass around your patio or seating area, it creates a natural, fragrant barrier that mosquitoes tend to avoid. And unlike candles that burn out after a few hours, lemongrass plants work continuously, day after day. Throughout the growing season. Lemongrass thrives in warm, sunny environments and loves moist, well-drained soil. With proper care, it can grow tall and dense, giving your garden a lush, tropical vibe while protecting your space at the same time. If you live in a cooler climate, you can easily grow it in pots and move it indoors when needed. Number 2. Basil. A simple kitchen herb with a surprisingly powerful secret. Most people think of basil as just an ingredient for delicious dishes like pasta or fresh salads. But what many don't realize is that this plant does much more than add flavor, it actually helps keep mosquitoes away. Unlike other plants that need to be crushed to release their scent, basil works all on its own. Just growing it in your garden or placing it nearby is enough to create a natural shield. Its strong aroma acts like an invisible barrier, making it difficult for mosquitoes to come near. This is because basil is packed with natural oils that insects simply can't stand. For gardeners, that makes basil a perfect two-in-one plant. You get fresh, flavorful leaves for cooking, and at the same time, a natural way to protect your space from pests. Many experienced gardeners even place basil in pots right on their outdoor tables. This way, they can easily grab fresh leaves while also keeping mosquitoes away during meals. And here's something even more interesting, not all basil is the same. Varieties like lemon basil and cinnamon basil have even stronger scents, making them more effective at repelling mosquitoes. Planting different types together doesn't just make your garden look and smell amazing, it also boosts your natural protection. Basil loves sunlight and grows best in rich, slightly moist soil. Regular harvesting actually helps the plant grow fuller and healthier, so don't be afraid to pick those leaves often. Here's a pro tip, try not to let your basil flower too early. While the tiny flowers may look nice, they signal the plant to slow down leaf production, which means less growth and weaker protection over time. Number 1. Geraniums. The scented bloomers. Cherry blossom. Geraniums are loved worldwide for their cheerful, vibrant flowers, but not all varieties repel mosquitoes. The real secret? Scented geraniums, especially those with a citrus-like fragrance. These plants are packed with natural compounds like citronellol and geraniol, which confuse mosquitoes and make it hard for them to track humans. Unlike some plants that only work when crushed, scented geraniums do their job simply by growing nearby. Their aroma drifts through the air, masking human scents while adding beauty to gardens, patios, and balconies. Geraniums grow best in containers, making them easy to position strategically near outdoor seating, doorways, or windows. In cooler climates, they can even be brought indoors for year-round protection. Not all geraniums are equally effective. Citronella geraniums are the most powerful. For maximum mosquito defense, experienced gardeners often mix them with lavender, basil, or mint, creating a layered scent shield mosquitoes can't tolerate. Some gardeners even lightly crush the leaves and rub them on their arms during peak mosquito hours for extra protection.